Hello everyone, and welcome back. This is DNRG. This is my first ever actual video, not short. Today we are on Train Simulator 2022. It's the only version now. And we have a train today. We are on one of the main routes that come with this, the Norfolk route. And today, we've got a train. From here to here. What a sight. Today we're going to give it a test and see if we can even get this thing rolling. Give me luck, this is not going to end well, probably. Let's see. Let's first see if we get started. I don't know how long this video is going to go. It's going to go until my phone says that it hates me and then it's going to stop it. But hopefully we can just get some video time in here. Next, put this into a couple more videos. Yeah, do that. I know how to use the keys. I know the keys. I'm just too lazy to do that right now. I'll do the fun way. Just to make sure. I guess it's fine. That's off. I say we're ready to roll. I have bell on. There we go. See it now. Ooh, it's like the logos. That's a horn I have never heard before. Will you turn on? I need you to turn on. Thank you. Hey. I said, hey. Train's moving. She's moving. We're rolling. I don't know, does anyone know why Train Simulator does that where the sound gets quiet when you look at the engine? Okay, now time to go speed travel. Go on. Wait, there's an easier way of doing this. And to that, I give you the crossing. There's a pole on our side. Don't pay attention to my speed. I'm speeding. Do not care. I like it. I like to get a little bit of moving. Unless we're moving. Glad about that part. I'm not too back actually. Bring her back any speed. 25. Still speeding up. This train's pretty easy for this thing. Just been waiting for it until we hit the grade in the CO sense. It's just coast. Beautiful. You pay attention. We go fine. Come on, hurry up. No, I sometimes get a little impatient. Hold on, I'll catch y'all back up when he gets closer. Okay, here we go. She comes. She's a coming. Let's just see how long this is gonna take for a second. I did remember a couple weeks ago. Actually, no, it wasn't a couple weeks ago. It was a couple days ago. I ran a heavy freight over Canjon Pass, and then it freaked out on a curve. I'm like, "La, you good, mate?" I'm like, okay. Going wrong nicely. I'm doing pretty well. It's gonna be a nice run. Now we only have 9 minutes on this. We can only have 9 minutes in this episode. Right. Once that's taken care of, then we'll go to part 2. Now some of the emergency brakes will come to a stop. I want some of the emergency brakes. I don't care. That's not a good idea. You see the point. I'll probably finish it. You guys can see what I'm doing. It's like a long short. Why not? Once we get over this crossing. Now that I like. For that, I say, run 8. That's what I want. Run 8. We have run 8. I say so, but we have running 6. Run 6 as well. We need speed. We can slow down. I don't need to be going faster over here. Let me look at that. That's why. And from here, we'll just watch her. She disappears and goes past the station. It'll be our last shot of her. It'll just be her disappearing. What is that? You can see the amount of engines we got before we get into the charge. And for now, for all